Today I want to give you a quick deep dive into smart forms built with our low-code platform for SharePoint, which is called Skybow Solution Studio. Low-code platform means that you don't need any coding skills to build those forms, which I'm going to show you now, just basic SharePoint skills. Let's start with smart forms. Smart forms means that those forms always react to what users are entering. The big advantage is that users are guided step by step through filling the form. They always only see all those fields which are relevant to them and which need to be filled out. For example, let's do a new construction. We will do a family house starting next month. The address. City is Zurich, country is automatically chosen Switzerland. As you can see, the headline is a summary of what I've entered into the form, which also belongs to smart forms. We can also add project objectives. For example, the shell should be ready by the end of September. For that, we have a budget of 40,000 Swiss francs, which means we are perfectly into budget, so we can send the approval to a normal project manager. So as you can see, the form guided us step by step through filling it out and always only showed what is relevant for me for a new construction of a multifamily house. Next one is form design. Here you can see an employee dossier for Edward Davidson. What you can see is basically a big master detail relationship. So all those detail lists are in those tabs here. So we have one big dossier summarizing all the information and data we have about Edward Davidson. That means we have a single source of truth and everything available in one place at any time. Here we can go through all those detail lists. We can also add new tabs just showing views of those detail lists, and we also have different documents here, which we can also preview in our document viewer on this display form. You can also use those document viewer on edit or new forms. We also have onboarding tasks, which would be planner tasks synchronized with the Microsoft Planner of the responsible employees, and logs. Here you can find all those edits to the employee dossier, so everything is perfectly documented. Last thing about smart forms which I want to show you today is dynamic styling. Dynamic styling means that the styling of the form or of items of the form changes with the values we enter into the form. For example, at the moment we have exceeded our budget of 50,000 francs because we now have over 100,000 francs, which means we need to ask for approval by the CFO of the company. If we delete a few of the points here, we can change the budget. We are perfectly into the budget, so the styling is back to normal formatting and the approval goes back to a normal project manager. So that's basically what we mean with dynamic or conditional styling. I hope I could show you how smart forms work in Skybow, what possibilities you have, and give you an idea what's possible within Skybow Solution Studio. If you want to have a deeper demo or have any questions regarding smart forms, don't hesitate to contact us.